I done the buldak noodles in the rice. Is it rice paper? I don't know. And then I just done some mayo and sweet chili dip. I haven't deep fried them, and they've only got noodles and cheese in. For the first go, that is pretty good. I hope they're going to be nice. Like, this rice paper you need to get right, otherwise it bloody... Anyway, let's just get into it. That's spicy. That's good. That's spicy. I tell you what, I didn't do much juice because I thought I can't do too much juice, otherwise it's soup everywhere. But now I wish I did because they're a little bit dry. I'll do them more juicier next time. And I got one packet. Look at them. I'm actually so proud. That's the cheese. I put burger cheese in there because I was like, nah, not great in it. Can't be bothered. Guys, try this. Not bad for my first go. Did I tell you I got goopy mayo? I ended up buying it. I think I did tell you guys. I mean, I probably would do this again, I'm not gonna lie. There's a lot going on in my mouth. That's why I can't really talk. Yeah, I need more. I just almost don't want to eat them. Look at it. La la. I mean, I'm not going to lie. The texture's not very fantastic. But, you know, we just move and think of other things. What did you have for tea tonight? And if you haven't had anything, have something. Something's better than nothing. Whatever it may be. I have actually not made much of a mess. Oh, concentration. Do you know what it is? I'm trying to figure out why mine doesn't look or probably taste as tasty as other people's. I reckon it's the juice. Maybe the other stuff that they put in there. It's that rice paper that's chewy. Look at that, no juice. Very disappointed, actually. Anyway, for my first go, I thought that was alright. Have a good evening.